Good morning, student. So this is our lecture number 4 of understanding quadrilateral. A diagram is given in front of you and you have to find the answer of these variables. What are the variables? X is a variable, y is a variable, m is a variable. You have to find the answer of x, y and m. चलिए आइए देखते हैं. Now बच्चे understand this concept. This is a straight line. This is a straight line. And 70 plus y is a linear pair. 70 and y makes linear pair. You all know that in linear pair 70 plus y will makes always 180 degree. This is what we call linear pair. इसी को हम linear pair बोलते हैं बच्चे. Linear pair होता है ना, 70 plus y is equal to 180. 70 plus y is equal to 180. So what is the answer of y? Y is equal to 180 minus 70. So y is equal to 110. Got it? The answer of y? Chalo now similarly, this is a straight line. M plus 60. What is m and 60? What m and 60 makes? M plus 60 makes 180. M plus 60 makes 180. So I will write over here. M plus 60 is equal to 180. Again, what is the reason? Linear pair. Got it? Now m is equal to 180. ये plus 60 वहां जाके क्या हो जाएगा? Minus 60. So what is the answer of m? The answer of m is 120. है ना? The answer of m is 120. तो देखो बच्चे, आपके y का आंसर आ गया और आपके m का आंसर आ गया ना y और m का आंसर. ठीक है, गुड. अब आप क्या करिए, ये जो y है ना यहां पे लिख दो 110 और ये जो m है ना यहां लिख दो 120. गॉट इट? क्योंकि इनका आंसर आ चुका है. अब थोड़ी देर के लिए इसको भूल जाओ. ये 70 का अब कोई काम नहीं है और ये 60 का भी अब कोई काम नहीं, इसको भूल जाओ. नाउ सी दिस डायग्राम. This diagram is absolutely a pentagon. This is a pentagon because 5 sides are there na. There are 5 sides, so it is a pentagon. Got it? It is a pentagon. अब जल्दी से बताओ, मैंने पुराने लेक्चर में आपको पढ़ाया था पेंटागन में what is the sum of all the 5 interior angles. Sum of all the 5 interior angle of a pentagon. ये याद करो फटाफट, आपको याद होना चाहिए. Sum of all the 5 इंटीरियर एंगल ऑफ अ पेंटागन इज 540. ये आपको याद होना चाहिए, मैंने डिराइव भी करवाया था. गॉट इट? सो यू विल राइट लाइक दिस. इन पेंटागन a प्लस बी प्लस सी प्लस डी प्लस ई इक्वल टू 540. ये थोड़ा थोड़ा याद करना पड़ेगा आप लोगों को. ट्राइंगल में तीनों एंगल का सम 180 होता है. क्वाड्रिलैटरल में चारों एंगल का सम 360 होता है. And in pentagon, sum of all the 5 interior angle is always equal to 540. चलो वैल्यू पुट अप करेंगे. In place of A you will write 30. In place of B X. Equal to 540. Got it? Now please add it very fast. You will get 2x. X plus X 2x. Now 100 and 100 200 230 plus 260. इज इक्वल टू 540. ये तो आप सॉल्व कर लेंगे ना भाई. ये 100 को ऐड कर लेना, ये 100 120 को ऐड कर लेना, ये 30 को ऐड कर लेना. इट इज 110. इट इज 110. ऐड इट है ना. 2x इज इक्वल टू 540 माइनस 260. जल्दी से 540 में से 260 माइनस करो. 0 में से 0 जाएगा तो 0. 280. 2x इज इक्वल टू 280. तो जस्ट टेल मी व्हाट इज द आंसर ऑफ x. The answer of x is 280 upon 2. The answer of x is 280 upon 2, that is 140. कैंसिल हो जाएगा ना, 2 1 जा और 2 140 जा. तो आपके x का आंसर भी 140 आ गया है. आपके x का आंसर भी 140 आ चुका है. गॉट इट? तो हमने सारे वेरिएबल्स के आंसर निकाल लिए. मेक इट फास्ट. चलो विल इंक्रीज द स्पीड ऑल्सो नाउ. Now this second question. This is the second question. Again a pentagon is there, given 1 2 3 4 5 and all the angles they have given x, all the angles they have given x, all the angles are equal to each other. ठीक है? Now you have to find the value of x. It's a very simple question. You know that in pentagon, sum of all the 5 interior angle is equal to 540. So what you will do? Add all the angle x plus x equal to 540. 5x equal to 540. Got it? When you cancel it, you will get 108. You will get 108. So answer of all the angle is 108 degree. 108 degree. So this is question number 2. Clear? Now come to question number 3. Now see what is question number 3. They have given you one triangle. This is x, this is 125, this is again 125, this is y, this is z, this is r. You have to find the value of all the variables. Got it? You have to find the value of all the variables. You have to find the value of x, y, z, r. Now see how to find. You all know that y plus 125 is equal to 180 degree. This is called linear pair. Linear pair bhai. Y plus 125, y and 125, interior angle and exterior angle. One interior angle, one exterior angle makes linear pair, that is 180 degree. So y is equal to so the answer of y is 55 degree. Answer of y is 55 degree. Got it? Now similarly, this is a straight line. This z is the interior angle, and this 125 is the exterior angle. Interior angle, exterior angle. What makes interior and exterior? Z plus 125 is equal to 180. Again LP. LP मतलब linear pair. LP मतलब linear pair. Linear pair. Z is equal to 180 minus 125. Again Z is equal to 55. Got it? So the answer of y is 55. The answer of z is also 55. Y का आंसर भी 55 आ गया, z का आंसर भी 55 आ गया. Good. Now see. In place of y, you will write 55. In place of z, you will write 55. Now you have to find the answer of r. You have to find the answer of r. Now in a triangle, what is the sum of all the three interior angle? In a triangle, what is the sum of all the three interior angle? You all know that in triangle, sum of three interior angle is always equal to 180 degree. In triangle, sum of three interior angle. In triangle, leave it, forget this one, forget this one, forget this one. Now just see the interior angle of a triangle. 55 plus 55 plus r. These are known as interior angle of a triangle, and interior angle of a triangle makes 180 degree. ये प्लस 110 वहां जाके माइनस 110 हो जाएगा. So the answer of r is 70 degree. So the answer of r is 70 degree. Got it? Okay. Now answer of r is 70 degree. Now please find the answer of x. Again it is a linear pair. Find the answer of x. $70 is the interior angle, x is the exterior angle, and you know that one interior plus one exterior. This makes linear pair. 70 plus x equal to 180. So the answer of x is 110 10 degree. Got it? Okay. Now last question of this lecture, question number 4. This is video number 4 and again I am giving you the question number 4. Please, this you have to solve by yourself only. Please try to this question. This is 90. Find y. This is 60. Find m. This is 90. Find r. This is 70. Find q. This is p and this is x. Come on. Start doing this question. जल्दी करो, बहुत जल्दी करो. Ninety plus y is equal to 180. 90 plus y is equal to 180. So y is equal to 180 minus 90. So y is equal to 90. Got it? So in place of y you will write 90. Chalo, good. Now 60 plus m is equal to 180. Linear pair. M is equal to 180 minus 60. M is equal to 120. Where is m? Just see 60 and m. 60 plus m equal to 180. So the answer of m is 120. ये तो अब आपको बनना चाहिए बहुत अच्छे से. Similarly 90 plus r. 90 plus r equal to 180. तो यहाँ से r का आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? r का आंसर 90 आ जाएगा. Clear? Now find the answer of q. Find the answer of q भाई. q 70 plus q equal to 180. So the answer of q is 110. Clear? Now see, what are the interior angle of a pentagon? What are the interior angle of a pentagon? Forget this one, this one. हमने exterior angle से interior angle निकाल लिया. Now we have to find the value of p. What is the sum of interior angle of a pentagon? 90 plus 110 plus p plus 90 plus 120 is equal to 540. Sum of interior angle of a pentagon is 540. Chalo, we have to add this one. 90 and 90, 180. 180 and 120. 300. 410. I think 410 plus p equal to 540. P is equal to 540 minus 410. P is equal to 0 में से 0 है 0, 4 में से 1 3, 130. So the answer of P is 130. Please add it to this one very properly. 110 plus 120 plus 180. 4 सही है. So the answer of P is 130. The answer of P is 130. Got it? The answer of P is 130. Now I think you are able to find the answer of x. What is 130 plus x? 130 plus x is equal to 180. Now this is interior angle, this is exterior angle, and this is a linear pair. Sum of linear pair is 180. So 130 plus x is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 minus 130. X is equal to 50 degree. Got it? So the answer of x is 50 degree. ठीक है? थैंक यू बच्चे. इनको और अच्छे से रिवाइज करते रहो. प्लीज कॉपी में जरूर लिखना है ये सारे क्वेश्चन. ठीक है? थैंक यू. ऑल द बेस्ट टू ऑल ऑफ यू.